So today I'm going to show you how I do this quick makeup look. It's just perfect for winter because it just keeps your skin so hydrated. I'm going to show you what steps I use before I start with my makeup to prep my skin and keep it moisturized and hydrated for the whole day. And it just looks very pretty, very glowy, dewy. And this makeup also feels like a warm hug. Okay guys, so now let's get started. Winters are here and today it's super sunny outside. What I'm going to do is prep my skin really well, because during winter, especially if your skin feels dry, your makeup is never gonna sit. Of course, it's gonna get cracked and your makeup's gonna fade away. First of all, what I do is I use a toner. This is the toner that I use. It's from Laneige. It's very hydrating. This is what the toner looks like. It's Laneige Cream Skin Serapeptide Toner and Moisturizer. If you have extremely dry skin like mine, you can use it. I bought a refill packet which I found is like cheaper, and I bought this spray bottle and I put it in the spray bottle and I use it like that. Hair's all out of the face, so I'm gonna spray some toner on my face and then just apply it with my hands. This itself is very moisturizing. I would always suggest, if you use a moisturizing toner, this is my holy grail during winters. This is the Bioderma Atoderm cream and I love using this. This is extremely hydrating and it just moisturizes my face extremely well. You know, when you apply it in the morning, it just feels like your skin is drinking up all the goodness. Look how glowy my skin already looks. Next, I never skip sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen that I'm using currently. It is the Madagascar Centella Airfit sunscreen. Now half of your work is done because your skin is well prepped. I try and use cream products during winters. So one extra step after skincare that I do is apply some sort of a primer which gives my skin some hydration. So it can be some primer drops, it can be some cream primer. The one that I use is from K-Beauty. It's their primer drops and this is in the shade Golden Twist. It's kind of a little oily, but it gets absorbed in your skin really fast. Now just look at that glow. Instead of this, you can also apply the MAC Strobe Cream, which is my favorite product, but today I thought of applying this. Next, for foundation, I always try and use very lightweight products on my skin. So for foundation, I either go for a liquid foundation if I have somewhere like an event to go to, or the other days if I want to hang out in the cafe or I want to hang out with my friends, then sometimes I will just not wear any foundation. I'll just leave my skin as it is. But some days I do feel a little fancy, like during the weekend especially, and I apply this Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. This is also called SPF 25. Now this is all I take and then I apply it all over my face. And then I don't use any brush or anything. I just blend it using my fingers. It's extremely lightweight. It just feels like you're applying another moisturizer on your skin, and it gives a really beautiful glow to your face. To be honest, it does not give much coverage. It looks natural, and that is exactly what I love in my foundations or cream tints or BB creams or whatever. Next, for my concealer, today I'm going to use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade COV005, and you can see I have pretty dark circles, so instead of using an orange color corrector, what I do is I use the concealer. This one is one shade darker than my skin tone, and the brush I'm going to use is PAC 219, and sometimes when I'm in a hurry I'll just blend it with my fingers, but the other days I use my brush, and this completely hides my dark circles. And then what I like doing is I like using a concealer which is similar to my skin tone or maybe a shade lighter than my skin tone. So today I'm going to use this K-Beauty concealer. This is in the shade medium, and I'll just use a small amount of this just to highlight, and then I blend it. Now, setting your concealer is extremely important. So I'm going to use this Forever 52 loose powder. This is their banana luxury powder. So whatever's left in the sponge, I'm going to use that. So I'm going to take this Nykaa foundation brush, just set the under eye area. Because it's winter, use as less product as possible. Otherwise it's gonna crease, the lines are gonna show, it's gonna look cakey. So just use a very light layer on top of the concealer. So our base is done. Now I am going to apply my blush, my contour, my highlight. So for my contour, this is my newest find. Okay, this is from Zudio. It is their foundation stick, and I've already done a video. I have reviewed a bunch of their new products, all stick products. Just go ahead and check it out. Today I'm going to use this shade, which is Toffee, and I use it as my bronzer or contour, and this just gives a very sun-kissed look. So I'm going to blend my nose with my fingers. This product is extremely buttery and it just blends in no time. You don't even have to work hard to blend this product. For my blush today, I'm going to use this blush from Earth Rhythm. It is their lip cheek tint, and I really don't have the shade name. It's just a very like a pretty baby pink color. And I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose, and then blend it out with my fingers. Always tap it in your skin and blend it out. That way your makeup is not gonna smear everywhere. It's just gonna stay where it is. Oh my gosh, this color looks stunning. Now let's do a little bit of the highlighter. For the highlighter, you can use any cream highlighter that you want to use. I wanted to use a different cream highlighter, but unfortunately couldn't find it today. So what I'm going to use is this Eba must-have highlighter. It just says Get Set Glow highlighter, does not have a name, and this is how it looks like. So what I do is I just scoop out some, put it at the back of my hand, and then just blend it, and then pick some up with my fingers and then apply it on my face. But just apply it on places where the light is gonna hit, like the highest point. I'm not applying it everywhere on my face, just right here when the light's gonna hit, on the bridge of my nose, just these 2 points, on top of my lips, a little bit on my chin, and then the center of the forehead. I really don't want to look like a disco ball. Now let's move on with the eyes. I'm going to use the Slime Crime Venus palette. I'm going to use this pink and just put it all over my eyes. I'm not going to use any contour shade or any other shade, just using this one eyeshadow color all over my eyes. Also use the same color on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to use this shade which is called Mystic. It's a very subtle pink shade, and I am going to use it just in the inner third area of my eyes. Now I'm going to use this white kajal. This is from Purple, and I'm going to use it on my waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brown kajal, which is from Mama Earth. I am going to apply it as my eyeliner. Brown always looks good when it's daytime. I avoid using black at any cost when it's daytime. I always use a brown kajal because it looks so much more subtle, and I'm not winging it out today. And then what I also do is I just apply it on my lower lash line, and then I smudge it with my finger. I also smudge the brown kajal a little bit. The mascara I'm going to use today is from Maybelline. This is their Lash Sensational Mascara, Sky High one, and this is the mascara that I have been constantly using. I'm not even touching any other mascara because this mascara makes my eyelashes look very natural. It just does not clump, and it lengthens my lashes. I love using this. For my inner corners, I am going to use this white shade. It's actually not white, it's a mix of white. It's also got a little bit of golden in it. I'm just going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten the area a little bit. During winters, I try and stay away from matte lipstick, but those matte lipsticks which keep your lips a little bit moisturized is still fine. I love using this lipstick from Stays. It's their Lips Don't Lie Matte Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick, and it stays for quite some time. This is in the shade Cocoa Crush, and I love using this. What I do is I apply a little bit and then I blend it with my fingers. You can keep it like this, it looks beautiful on its own, or you can also apply a plump gloss. This is from Swiss Beauty. It's in the shade 05, and just apply a little bit in the center. That is the look, guys. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.